Hello, welcome to Classic Motorcycle Company. I'm Michael Kiernan. We started this business about 12 years ago and it just went crazy. It was a hobby in our loft apartment and just didn't have time to keep a job, and then we got a little garage down the road. We moved up to here, 3537 Shoto, old little machine shop. We started working on Italian, British, Japanese motorcycles and just went from there. Just love this old stuff, love, retrieving them out of old storage in barns and basements and wherever, even auctions, swap meets. We go to all the big regional swap meets, all the big national meets. It's awesome. It's like a dream come true. We're starting to get into some really big special motorcycles. We might do some racing soon. Might do some classic racing. We've got a pretty special Ducati that was built for Mike Howard back in 1979. A hero to a lot of people. That's pretty special that we can start, recommissioning race motorcycles and actually race them. So that's something which is very exciting to grow into. And, I don't know, it's just hard to realize that we're living the American dream. It doesn't feel like reality. So, I don't know, let's focus on the motorcycles.